Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech comparisons and developer tool reviews. Today, we're comparing three popular terminal emulators, Alacritty, Kitty, and Wezterm, to answer the big question, which one wins in 2026? Let's break it down. First, performance. Alacritty is known for its blazing fast performance with GPU acceleration. It's lightweight and extremely responsive. Kitty also uses GPU acceleration and performs well, but it's slightly heavier due to additional features. Wezterm is fast too, with GPU support, but performance can vary depending on configuration and plugins. Winner for performance is Alacritty. Second, features and customization. Alacritty keeps things simple, minimal UI and config via a single file, but fewer built-in extras. Kitty shines here. It has tabs, splits, layouts, ligatures, graphics support, and extensibility, making it very flexible. Wezterm is extremely powerful with Lua scripting, multiplexing, panes, tabs, and rich config options, ideal for advanced users. Winner for features is Wezterm, closely followed by Kitty. Third, ease of use. Alacritty is straightforward but requires manual config editing. Great for purists. Kitty has easy kind bindings, layouts, and configuration, more beginner-friendly. Wezterm has a learning curve due to its scripting and options, but is highly customizable once set up. Winner for ease of use is Kitty. Fourth, cross-platform support. Alacritty works on macOS, Linux, BSD, and Windows. Kitty supports similar platforms and even has Windows support via WSL. Wezterm also runs on macOS, Linux, Windows, and BSD. All strong here. Winner, tie. Overall verdict in 2026, if you want pure speed and minimal setup, Alacritty wins. If you want features and easy layouts, Kitty is best. If you want maximum power, scripting, and extensibility, Wezterm is the top choice. Pro tip, your choice depends on your workflow. Developers who love simplicity and speed will enjoy Alacritty, while those who need powerful layouts and scripting will prefer Wezterm. That's it. Which terminal do you prefer? Comment below Alacritty, Kitty, or Wezterm. If this review helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more comparisons.